G'day guys, Adam here from the Fishy Business TV show in New Zealand. Well, anyone that knows me knows I love to fish with my Scotty Downrigger. I use it to catch kingfish and snapper, tuna and marlin, and trout in fresh water. It's an absolute fishing weapon. Now Scotty have teamed up with MR, the guys that make transducers, to produce the Seeker probe. So what's the Seeker probe? The Seeker probe is an attachment that you put just above your downrigger ball, which transmits some critical fishing data back to your fish finder or to your phone via a black box. What data can you get off of it? It gives you accurate speed at the downrigger ball, water temperature, and depth. All of these things are vitally critical when you're doing any sort of downrigger fishing. A few examples would be when you want to keep your downrigger weight up off the bottom, you've got to know exactly what depth your weight is at. And water temperature, if you're fishing in any sort of thermocline, you need to know the temperature that your downrigger weight is at, not the surface temperature, so you can put your lure or bait in the right spot. And speed can be essential when you're trolling with lures. If you get the right speed, because your boat speed might be different than the speed of your downrigger, and if you want to get those strikes, sometimes you've got to go a little faster or a little slower to make that lure work perfectly. The Seeker probe is transmitting data that's vital to help you catch more fish.